we must begin to develop, number one, and this is the most important thing we can do as a people. We must first develop an undying love for our people, our people, our people.
Let me know in the comments if you know who Stokely Carmichael is. Now, just from the couple of seconds I've heard in this video, I already know that I need to find more interviews and videos of him. Drop an emoji and a heart emoji in the comments if you are interested in listening to more of what he has to say.
But Stokely had this way of inspiring people. People were getting a real sense of new values.
Why us? Why did they go to Africa and just scatter us all over the earth? Why us? Why the black man? Why is it that they saw fit to split us up, put us in Trinidad, in Jamaica, in St. Thomas, in Brazil, in Cuba, in Panama, in Santo Domingo, in Guatemala, in the United States, even in Canada? Why us?
You know, I'm going to attempt to answer that question. Why us? I remember reading about something that said, I think it was like a guide or a book or something they said they claimed Christopher Columbus came out with, saying that these people, these dark complected people, are so nice that we could take advantage of them. And I'm going to assume, now remember, this is just an assumption, that him or people like him have never come across people that didn't just automatically assume that people were enemies. And he felt that taking advantage of someone's generosity, especially someone that was built for kindness, would be so easy to do. I want you to attempt to answer the why question, why us question, or why them question. I want to know what your assumptions or why you think those particular people were chosen. Please be honest in the comments. I'm curious because that why question is very powerful. Be sure to like, share, watch more videos, and subscribe to the channel.